Hello, and welcome to the Fact Today's show. I'm your host, Mr. Toes, and today's Sea Shanty fact will have you tapping your toes. Tap, tap, tap. Did you know that the term Sea Shanty first emerged in the 1800s? It has a few origins. One is the French word chanter, meaning to sing. Another is from the English word chant. And there are connections to other working songs from North American lumberjack songs that often began with, "Come all ye brave shanty boys." Yeah. Although, it's kind of hard to picture a lumberjack singing a sea shanty. I mean, they got that big axe.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
What's going on here?
I cut down trees, I eat my lunch, I go to the lavatory. On Wednesdays I go shopping and have buttered scones for tea. He cuts down trees, eats his lunch, he goes to the lavatory. On Wednesdays he goes shopping and has buttered scones for tea.
Huh. Okay.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
Yay! Hard not to sing along, you know? Although, that's not something you see every day. I don't even know what just happened. Oh, well, it's kind of catchy, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Well, thank you for joining us today. And if you enjoyed the show, please consider subscribing here on YouTube or on our Patreon. Until next time, friends. I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day.